walk around 1965 Ford Mustang for sale. No oil leaks. It's V6, runs good. No rust to speak of. Valve cover gasket, no leaks. Rear main seal's good. All gaskets and fluids have been changed, including transmission. Brand new tires, original hubcaps, new badges. Does need a side view mirror. Get that at CJ Pony Parts. Door jambs are clean, including at the brackets. Interior is pretty much new. It just needs to be cleaned up and finished. Finished meaning the new dash needs to be sealed up in there. On the top's got a new glove box and new glove box cover. Paint job's incredible on this car. The trunk is clean with no rust. It's got a new trunk pad in it. No rust where that usually is. There in the corners. No dings or dents on this car or scratches. Does need to be cleaned up. Again, no issues where the rust is usually. It's got new carpet. Floor pans are good. Headliner is almost perfect. And then you got a new rear pad where the speakers go, and those are brand new 6x9s in there. The stereo's not connected, but the wires are run. And let's go start it. Original motor.